Hey folks, Mike Knapper here again with Poor People, Poor Ways. The topic of conversation today, confidence decoys. You know, they make all kinds of them, usually not your target animal. You got coots, or as we like to call them, the elusive whitebill. Nobody hunts them. I don't know why. There's 2 recipes for them in the conservation cookbook. You can get white egrets, blue herons. They even got corn. Looks like something out of a bad 70s centerpiece table on a Thanksgiving movie. Folks, we got a better idea. After a year of research and development, us people at Poor People, Poor Ways, we come up with a pretty good idea. If you get to thinking about it, the whole deal about a confidence decoy is the ducks are relaxed, they're not worried about nothing. And where are they not worried about nothing the most? In the refuge. Alright, so we come up with the Poor People, Poor Ways confidence decoy signs. Yeah folks, we testing out the new refuge decoys, confidence decoys here today. We're out here with Alex O'Brien, resident leprechaun. Started out a little bit slow this morning, but we're starting to attack them all, stack them up. And it's all because of the confidence decoys. I'm telling you folks, get yourself a dozen Poor People, Poor Ways refuge signs. It's a game changer. It's a game changer. Killing. Where'd that other one go? Folks, we had a heck of a day here with the Leprechaun All Service Guide Service. Alex O'Brien is guide here. He brought us in, let us test out our new confidence decoys. It was a great day. We really appreciate it. I'm telling you folks, get you some of these before next year. They're going fast. $19.95 a dozen. Steaks are optional. They're $4 a piece. But look us up on the internet. Check us out on the web, www.poorpeoplepoorways.com. Appreciate it, man.
No, it's a pleasure having you guys down. Yeah, for sure. We'll do it again sometime soon.
Put us on the calendar for next year.
Yep.